Welcome to the 6th video in this tutorial series. How to start your family history. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. So let's get started. Lesson 5. Get yourself organized. Now that you have collected a range of different types of information, it is time to decide on how you would like to organize it. Most people will use a combination of hard copy and digital information. In other words, they will use folders in conjunction with filing cabinets to organize their paper documentation, as well as using their computer to store their researched online information. If you decide to keep hard copy versions of your research, you can store the information in specially designed family history forms and charts. Some of these forms and charts that you may wish to use may include Pedigree Charts. A pedigree chart displays your ancestors that are directly related to you through multiple generations. Individual Details Sheet. An individual details sheet keeps all your biographical information on your ancestor in one place. Information on the sheet includes military service, immigration, occupation, marriages, as well as birth and death information. Family Worksheet. A family worksheet keeps a record of each ancestor who is a member of a particular family unit, all on one page. It also includes the spouses of children. Marriage Certificates. A marriage certificate allows you to track and record your ancestors' marriages. Life Timeline. A life timeline allows you to keep a day-by-day, month-by-month and year-by-year record of your ancestors' life, in an easily understandable and readable format. Immigration Sheet. If one of your ancestors immigrated, an immigration sheet will save you time by tracking all their immigration paths. These are just some of the forms and charts that are available for you to use. They are available from either of our websites, thefamilyhistorian.com.au or warwicksgenealogyservices.com.au. I will also place the links in the description for this video. Now for digital information. Digital information is any information that you store on your computer, laptop, tablet, or phone. It also includes any information kept on the cloud or on backup storage media as well. The types of information you may have include certificates, photos, forms and charts, life stories, genealogy software files, and genealogy links. So how do you organize all this information? There are many ways to organize your files, no matter whether they are hard copy or digital, or a combination of both. The trick here, and I know this seems obvious, is to find a method that suits you and your way of thinking. And when you find the method that you are happy with, use it both for the hard copy and the digital documentation. In other words, set both up in exactly the same way. So let's now briefly go through some of the organization methods. This will just be a brief overview so you can get started, but there will be more detailed videos coming out soon on each of these methods. The alphabetical filing system. The alphabetical filing system is a method which organizes your files into alphabetical order. This can be done via surname or a person's first name, but whichever option you choose, you need to keep it consistent throughout your filing system. Otherwise, finding one of your ancestors quickly will become nearly impossible. The Family Unit Filing System. The Family Unit Filing System is a method which organizes your files and folders into family units. All records relating to a husband and wife and their children are filed together. If a husband or wife has a second or third marriage, then a new family unit is started, with only the records pertaining to that particular relationship included. Organize by file type. As the name suggests, this method organizes your documentation by the type of file the document is. For example, you could use separate folders for each of the birth, death, and marriage certificates, baptism records, probates and wills, etc., just to name a few. Then within each type of records folder, you could organize them alphabetically by surname, and even, depending on your preferences, by paternal or maternal lines. The choice is entirely yours. By location. Even with careful organization and planning, you may find that not everything you have will fit nicely into family units or record types. If you find that this is the case, then you can try organizing and sorting your information into locations. Once you have your files sorted into location, you can then utilize parts of any previous method that appeals to you, or whichever method suits your current requirements. Although this has only been a brief overview, hopefully it is enough to at least get you on your way to organizing your family history. Each method will have its own video, explaining how it works. The links for these videos will be placed in the description below. In the next video, we will be going over how to decide on what type of research you would like to undertake. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, and they will be answered as quickly as possible. So until then, happy hunting!